Snap. It's going down.
Belly mount.
He got this GoPro baby.
Okay, well, we have fuel power now. And we've already had power to everything else. And everything's good, I think.
I think we worked out all the kinks.
I think so. Well, I don't know. Well, let's start it up. All right, well, first, so that's just ignition power and power to the fuel pump. Fuel pump is at, fuel pressure regular is like 60 PSI right now, chilling. All right, let's see. Ignition is on. And this is the starter right here.
Wow, today is a very special day. Just want you all to know that it's like just watching your child take his first steps, even though it's taken a couple behind your back. But we will officially be starting carbon fiber Datsun up for the first time in a long time. This isn't technically the very first time, but I'm pretty sure y'all wasn't around when we used to start it up just periodically. That was many, many years ago, before YouTube was even a thing to us. We're gonna go grab some food right quick, because gotta leave you on the edge, a little cliffhanger. Feed our stomachs, nourish our bodies. It's a beautiful Sunday. Might get some drone shots today. And yeah, let's go eat and then get this thing on the road.
I was so lucky. This guy at the oven was he snapped. Why? Oh God, why is this happening? You! He lost his mind, I think. You! Ah!
We're done.
All right, we just got our food. Now it's time to go start this Datsun up. Oh.
Damn.
Maybe I should put the. Damn, you
got me. I got.
You got, y'all. Where?
No, watch the doors open.
What?
We're gonna tighten my exhaust down, but there's a motor mount right on top of that. And I need to... Dude, everyone loves throwing on some V-bands.
They're the best.
Lining them up. Oh my god, dude.
Best thing ever to man.
You gotta hold it up with one hand. Oh my god. Hold on, I got it.
It's the worst type of caveman technology, but the best at
What?
the same time.
This ain't no caveman technology.
Follow me. Where are
I'm gonna need your hand again, but this is the final last fitting we have to put on the whole system. I remade the rollover vent, but you'll see that right now. I did it last week, recorded with the GoPro. But so
That was my question.
we have to put this last one on here, and then put this fuel line back on, and then fill it with some more fuel, and throw the jump box on it. Start her up. But I need your hand real quick.
You listen to Zelda songs in your head, bro?
What's up?
Zelda trap music?
Some Zelda and chill.
Who made you start listening to Zelda and chill?
My leg!
You need yourself a hard hat, not a beanie.
Yeah, probably.
What you find here, sir?
It's 4-gauge wire. This is the final battery cable that runs from Yeah. I run from the positive terminal on the shutoff right here.
On your red line that I told you said red?
Red line. I didn't say red line.
Nah, you said red. I rewinded it too.
And I could hear myself saying red.
Nah, somebody in the comments said you said red too. So.
One guy in the comments is probably Xavier's alias profile. Our poor Vice getting no love from everyone commenting.
Got that one commenter mad as hell.
I mean, the bolt's holding it on. It's definitely real loose. This table's a little sketchy, but it's been here for a long time.
Shop love.
Show her
man.
a little respect.
I'm tired of seeing these mechanical shops with some crappy vise and a crappy table.
Send us a Vice, we'll use it.
Got your fancy heat shrink.
See. When you heat it up, it has like an epoxy inside it that actually like weather seals it. So instead of just being something sitting around the outside of it, it actually glues itself to it.
What's the name brand?
Raychem.
Okay. I feel like somebody asked.
Yeah, they make some good shit.
Ray Ken, like K-E, Kemp? Or Ken?
We're not doing this again. Chem, like Raychem, I think.
Oh, like chemicals.
Yes.
Okay. I thought you were saying like Kip. Okay.
Rewind it back. If you look around the base of it, you'll start to see some stuff ooze out. It's actually bonding to the cable itself. So it's weather tight. But yeah, now that it's like dry, you can really see that. All that stuff oozing out of it. That's built inside it, so all of that throughout the entire thing is that's fun.
I was like, damn, why am I zooming in? But there we go. Oozy.
Oozy. A little oozy wire.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, what's your happy joy level?
My happy joy level is probably like a 12. Just kidding. I'm a solid 10 for sure.
So you one of those?
I'm not doing
Nah,
that.
you definitely, it's too late.
My concern level for all of those wires through that stupid mil-spec connector, also a 10. It's a solid 6.
Take one is want to see of what works and what doesn't work. I'm pretty sure he's just overthinking it, but then again, you never know with all those wires.
Okay, so ignition is working.
Oh, so you programmed it now too.
Yes. We gotta get gas. Actually, first we gotta tighten out all of the fittings, make sure they're good, then get gas. Got a little excited.
I don't want to end up with gas leaking out everywhere.
No zip ties. I got these little jumps from Vibrant. Part number, I don't even know.
What are they called?
It's just like a 1/2 inch hard line holder.
AKA you won't be super legit.
Yeah, I just want to keep them spaced out and not like zip tied. So these things will run in series down the whole thing.
How many
6 of them.
Okay.
And then I also have those like rubber guys that then will mount to like here and other places on the body.
Are you building a thing that's I forget the
Yeah, and somebody got commented on that too. So this is the first piece to blocking off this back section to the cabin. To run an unlimited class in global and world time attack, you have to have a firewall between you and the rest. I can make it out of carbon fiber. It just needs to be fireproof polymers in the actual carbon fiber. So the resin that we use has to be fireproof. But,
is that expensive?
No. It's about the same price as the stuff we've been using. I wish I could read the fuel pressure regulator a little easier. I mean, I can see it from right here.
Yeah, I was just looking at that.
It's the only direction it would mount, but it's whatever. I mean, I'm going to redo this section probably from here up once we change the manifold to boost it and everything like that, but we'll run this for a while.
You're telling too much info that they shouldn't be thinking that far ahead yet. You have to go turbo so we can challenge each other.
Yeah.
Ah, you knew I couldn't wait.
How much of a challenge would it even be?
It probably wouldn't be much for you, cheating ass. Shit too damn light.
Lightweight.
Even if I
Dude, I
got
want to
it.
just keep yelling like, you know, like, have you ever heard Ronnie Coleman yelling lightweight? Oh my god, dude.
What's the video on YouTube?
Yeah, we're gonna cut to it in a second.
Lightweight, baby! Everybody wanna be a bodybuilder. Don't nobody wanna lift this heavy ass weight. Lightweight. Yeah, lightweight, baby! Lightweight, baby!
Lightweight.
Lightweight, baby.
Never knew who Ronnie Coleman was until just now.
Oh man, he's a legend. Now let's run across the street to the gas station. Get some gas. Lightweight, baby.
Lightweight, I'm about to say that shit all the time. Lightweight. Lightweight. Where's your gas can at?
Ooh.
I walked to the gas station casually with no gas can, but you know, would have got there and just threw our hands in the air.
Wonder how stabilized this is gonna be. It's shaking like a bitch.
Yo, the E93 in the back though. I mean, E36 in the back.
Yeah, but it's an E46. Oh, he's talking about that black one. That black E36 is an E36.
He doesn't want to show you guys his credit card.
$332 for premium, guys. Jeez.
Don't forget to use y'all premium gas.
It's probably good. No, it's full anyways, so. Got about 5 gallons.
Made a little messy mess.
Dude, what? Dude, no way is this. Look, it's like shake, 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 shake. Nah, we'll see. I fucking doubt it.
I put it in like stabilization mode.
Yeah. Oh, right. It might not even be on. Need a funnel? Actually, that's a good funnel.
And my response to everything is gonna be lightweight. Say what you want for dinner. Lightweight. Say we were working today from 9 to 5. Lightweight.
She's like, what the hell are you talking about?
Generic answer for everything.
All right. Let's see. I don't know how well this is gonna work out. I don't have a nozzle hook right.
And you filled it to the rim, didn't
We
you?
need to find a nozzle. Let's be real.
Yeah.
Nice little tip if you're trying to start your car, make sure your fuel pump is grounded. Fairly important. We have fuel power now. And we've already had power to everything else. And everything's good, I think.
I think we worked out all the kinks.
I think so. Well, I don't know. Let's start it up. Should I like get in it or should I
You know
do the
damn
hot
well
boy?
you gotta take that steering wheel hot boy game.
Alright, first. That's just the ignition power. Fuel pump is at, fuel pressure rating is like 60 PSI right now, chill. Alright, let's see. The ignition is on. And this is the starter right here. Woo! you feeling? This should turn it off. Let's give it a second to air out, and then I'll go over some stuff. So the correct diff bearings did come in on Friday, and I just knocked them out real quick, as you'll see right now in this GoPro footage.
What was different? I mean, like...
It's just a slightly smaller diameter. That's literally it.
And what was it off of S14?
I don't honestly know. Like, I looked up that part number first time, and it came up with some other superseded part number, which was wrong. So I just looked at that part number again, and it wasn't superseded. I don't know. It's my fault, probably, but...
Nissan.
Yeah, Nissan stuff. But, so, yeah.
I guess...
Well, next episode, we'll throw this thing back together, put it in the car. Then we just need to get some brake lines. Then we can drive it. Right now, we have 0 brake lines at all, so...
It won't stop. Yeah. All right. Well, where Lucky Charm go? Oh, there he go. See if he...
Lucky Charm, bitch.
Lightweight,
baby. So it starts. I'm so hyped right now. Finished all the fuel stuff. Finagle with some wiring stuff. It starts. That's all that really matters, guys. Like, comment, subscribe.
Give y'all a whole 50 yen if you can guess how Greg got this crispy token.